In this video, you will see how to single space in Word document like this. It's very easy. In the first method, what you can do is just select the paragraph you want to single space. After selecting the paragraph, you can right click on the paragraph and then click on this option paragraph. You will see this dialog box. Now under this dialog box, under the spacing, here is the line spacing. You can see the preview here. Next to the line spacing, right now it is single. So let's say I will make it double. As you can see the preview that the double space has been applied. So you just need to select the option single and then click on OK. Similarly, if you want to change whole document to single spaced Word document, you need to select all the text using your keyboard shortcut Control A, and after selecting the text, you can also click here and then select the option 1.0 to change the line spacing to 1. In this way, you can change the line spacing to 1 and, for example, double as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.